Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Quite a lot number of people that have this app on their phone, whether on Android phone or you are using iPhone. A lot of people are finding it difficult to navigate the app because of the language barrier. But what if I told you that you can use this app in English language without installing any apps on your phone? So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's say, for instance, this particular home page right here, I want to translate it into English language. One of the easiest way to translate here is to make a screenshot of this part. So I'm going to make a screenshot right here. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, this method is effective and very easy. After you have taken a screenshot, go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on this camera icon. Then go ahead and select the screenshot. Select translate. Boom. Very simple and straight to the point. You can see now that everything here has been fully translated into English language. You can see from Chinese to English right here. So you can go on and use this method to translate. Alternatively, let's exit from here. If you have WeChat on your phone or you have Alipay on your phone, I want to believe that for everyone that have 1688 must have Alipay on their phone. So you can as well use Alipay method to translate your 1688 app from Chinese to English language. For that, go ahead and open up your Alipay app. After you open up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to come to the search right here. Then go ahead and make sure you type in 1688. Then hit on search. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the first result right here. And in a few seconds, it's going to take you right here. This is your 1688 app in Alipay fashion right here. The next thing you want to do is to bring out your translate right here. Click on translate. And everything will be translated into English language. So if you click on your profile icon right here, click on translate, you can see everything right here has been fully translated into English language. So I have about 9 orders on pending. I have about 99 to be evaluated. So if I go ahead and open my 1688 app again, you are going to see the same thing. So if I click on my profile icon right here, so you see I have 9 orders on transit. I have 157 items to be rating. Same way we have it right here. So you can see everything right here. So if we go back to the home page, then we can also make use of the translate right here and translate. So click on any of the product link right here, and then it's going to load up. And in a few seconds, everything will be loaded up right here. And then we can as well translate this into English language. You can see auto translating the result right here. So sometimes network might fluctuate. So translate. Now we have everything right here translated into English language. So you can see the product rating right here. Bag received, very fertile, carry a lot of things when carrying out the outdoor, very satisfied. So you can see the rating about the product, about the store. Scroll down and read detail. Read everything in English language right here. So this is an alternative method by which you can use your 1688 app in English language. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.